I talked to a mechanic who's worked on F-150s for 26 years. Thousands of engines. He told me, 5 specific years where I see engines with 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles. Running perfectly, no rebuild, just basic maintenance. Today you'll find out which 5. If you own one, you've got gold. 26 years, thousands of engines. He knows exactly which last. This is an opinion. This is data. Subscribe because this could change how you see your F-150. First, 1997 to 2003 with 4.6-liter V8. The 4.6? Practically indestructible. I see these with 350,000 miles regularly. What makes it special? Simple design, durable timing chain, iron block, reliable modular heads. Owners come in with 320,000, 400,000 miles. Engine running smooth as new. No smoke, no leaks, just maintenance. You have 1997 to 2003 with 4.6, one of Ford's most reliable engines ever. Keep maintenance. It'll last forever. Second, 2011 to 2014 with 5.0 Coyote. First generation Coyote? Phenomenal. Forgot everything right. I see these passing 300,000 easy. What makes it last? Dual overhead cam chain, strong aluminum block, efficient heads, variable valve timing without problems. Owners drive hard, heavy work, towing. Engine keeps going. 250,000, running perfect. 300,000, still strong, bulletproof. 2011 to 2014 Coyote will last 400,000 if you care for it. One of the best. Third, 2015 to 2017 with 2.7 EcoBoost. People were scared. Small turbo, but incredibly durable. 300,000 miles without problems. What surprises? Reliable small turbos. Strong compact block. Efficient design. Good cooling system. Daily work. Towing. 280,000 miles. Original turbos working. 300,000. Engine strong. Forgot this right. Want reliable EcoBoost? 2015 to 2017 2.7. Change oil regularly. It'll surprise you. Fourth, 2018 to 2020 with Coyote second generation. Ford took good engine, improved it. Direct injection plus dual port, even more reliable. Passing 200,000 easy. What improved? Better dual injection, reinforced pistons, optimized heads, stronger internals. Newer trucks. Already see 150,000, 200,000. Zero problems. Owners say, best F-150 ever. I agree. Want reliable modern F-150? 2018 to 2020 Coyote Gen 2. Buy confident for 100,000 miles. Fifth, 2021 to 2023 PowerBoost Hybrid. New but impressive. Proven 3.5 plus electric. System robust. Potential 300,000 easy. What's impressive? Proven base engine. Electric adds efficiency, not stress. Well-designed battery. Perfect integration. Owners with 80,000, 100,000 already. No problems. Hybrid perfect. 3.5 strong. Electric reliable. Want modern with reliability? PowerBoost 2021 up. Future built to last. These 5 have incredible engines, but they need proper care. Specific maintenance critical. To guarantee 300,000. Here's exactly what to do. For all these engines to last, oil changes, 5,000 miles maximum. Don't wait 7,000. Don't believe 10,000 manual. 5,000, full synthetic. Quality filter. This alone adds 100,000 miles life. Cooling system. Change coolant every 60,000. Check hoses. Clean radiator. Temperature sensor working. Overheating kills engines. Good cooling protects everything. Spark plugs. Every 100,000 minimum. Don't wait for failures. Scheduled replacement. Old plugs cause misfires. Misfires damage catalyst and engine. Air filter every 15,000 miles. Dirty air forces engine work harder. Where increases. Clean filter protects internals. $5 filter protects $1,000 engine. Cold starts. Drive smart first minutes. Let warm 2 to 3 minutes. Then gentle first 5 minutes. Cold starts cause most wear. Gentle warm-up adds years life. Do this. 300,000 for 100,000 miles. Guaranteed. Those are the 5, 1997 to 2003 4.6. 2011 to 2014 Coyote, 2015 to 2017 2.7, 2018 to 2020 Coyote Gen 2, 2021 to 2023 PowerBoost. 26 years confirms. These engines practically indestructible. 300,000 common, 400,000 possible. You have one. You're lucky. Take care of it. Last forever. What engine? How many miles? Comment. This made you appreciate your truck? Like it. Next week, 3 years' worst electrical problems. See you.